Okay, welcome everyone. As we are sponsored Nishmas Dov Ben Chaim, L'Refu Shalema, for Yomis Ben Chayesar, Yaakov Ben Basilev, for the schus of Abraham Ben Yam Ben Ishmael Malk Yudis and family. We're sponsored by the Fish family, Nishmas Basi Bas Rabbat, Shlomo Ben Abraham Alevi, Perel Bas Ruvain, and Shama Shadav and Aliyah, by Yod Klugman and family. We're sponsored L'Refu Shalema for Avigdaraya Ben Rifkin, the Bas Chayesar, Rifka Bas Shiraleah, Chana Bas Shashabina, Yitzhak Ben Tzim Ben Dusha, Dvorah Bas Shashabina, Esther Fadl Bas Chana, Moshe Meir Ben Esther Fadl, Aaron Ben Sarah, Shlomo Ben Hensha, Meir Ben Chayesara, Esther Fadl Bas Chana. They should have a refuah shalema b'sei shayachah Yisrael. Kol habasar asa l'vashel b'chalav. All meat is forbidden to cook with milk. Some biblical beef, some rabbinical poultry. Chutz mebasar dagim v'chagavim, except for the meat of fish and grasshoppers, that's permitted. You could have butter sautéed grasshoppers. V'asar la'aloisai imagvina ala shulchan. Meat and poultry you're not supposed to bring, according to the Tana of our Mishna, together with cheese on the table, because you might eat them together. Chutz mebasar dagim v'chagavim, except for the fish and grasshopper, which you're allowed to bring on the table together with cheese. Hanoidim in abasar, if somebody vows not to have meat, mutar b'basar dagim v'chagavim, he could have fish and grasshoppers. Now, unlike the Tanakama, here it says ha'oif, poultry, oila imagvina ala shulchan. It could come to the table together with cheese, but ve'ena nechel, it shouldn't be eaten together. Divrei Beis Shammai. Beis Hillel says you can't even put it together on the same table. Beis Hillel imrim lo oila v'lo nechel. It can't come together on the table, and it can't be eaten. Rabbi Yosi, so Beis Shammai is more mekel. He says that the poultry could come with the cheese on the table. Zumik kule Beis Shammai. This is from the leniencies of Beis Shammai, umechimrei Beis Hillel, and the stringencies of Beis Hillel. Now, what table do we say that you can't put meat and cheese together? Be'ezer shulchan amru, that's b'shulchan she'oichel alav. That's the table that you actually eat upon. Aval b'shulchan she'sayder alav esatafshel, on a side serving table. There, nice and zebazad tzadzeh, you could put meat on the side of milk, of cheese. Ve'ena chayshish. Since you're not eating there, we're not concerned. Tzayrer adam basar gvina b'mitpachas achas. You could wrap meat and cheese in the same cloth as long as they don't touch one another. Because if they would touch each other, even if they're both cold, they would need hadacha. Reb Shimon Gamliel says another halacha. Although we say usually you can't bring meat and milk on the same table that you're eating, but shnei achsenoyin, two guests in a hotel that don't know each other, oichlin al shulchan echad, they could eat on one table, zeh basar v'zeh gvina, one meat and one cheese, ve'ein chayshin, we're not worried since they don't usually share their food one with another. Again, we want to remind you that if you would like to sponsor a share, let's say share on Toldos, 718-916-3100, rmmwsi@aol.com. Thank you very much for joining us, and have a wonderful evening.